Ray-Ban, a name synonymous with style and sophistication, has been at the forefront of the eyewear industry for decades.
With a history dating back to the 1930s, Ray-Ban glasses have become an iconic fashion statement, gracing the faces of celebrities, fashion enthusiasts, and everyday wearers alike. In this comprehensive exploration, we will delve into the fascinating world of Ray-Ban glasses, examining their history, design evolution, cultural impact, and enduring popularity. The birth of an icon. Ray-Ban's journey began in 1936 when the company was founded by Bausch and Lomb. The need for specialized eyewear arose from the aviation industry, where pilots faced the blinding glare of the sun during high-altitude flights. To address this issue, Ray-Ban introduced the anti-glare aviator sunglasses, which featured green lenses and a metal frame. This pioneering design laid the foundation for what would become an enduring legacy. World War II and the Aviator Ray-Ban's Aviator sunglasses gained widespread recognition during World War II as they were issued to U.S. The Aviator's distinctive teardrop shape and anti-glare properties not only protected pilots' eyes, but also became a symbol of heroism and adventure. Army Air Corps pilots, post-war, these sunglasses became available to the public and their popularity soared, setting the stage for Ray-Ban's dominance in the eyewear market. The Wayfarer, a cultural phenomenon 1952, Ray-Ban introduced. The Wayfarer, a design that would redefine eyewear fashion. With its bold, trapezoidal shape and plastic frames, the Wayfarer represented a departure from the prevailing metal frame styles of the time. It quickly became a symbol of rebellion and nonconformity, famously worn by cultural icons like James Dean and Audrey Hepburn. The Wayfarer's enduring popularity is a testament to its timeless design.
The iconic Ray-Ban Clubmaster. The 1950s also witnessed the introduction of the Ray-Ban Clubmaster.
This style combined plastic and metal materials with a distinctive brow line design.
The Clubmaster became a favorite among intellectuals and artists, further cementing Ray-Ban's reputation as a brand favored by those with a discerning taste for fashion. The Ray-Ban way of celebrities. Ray-Ban's status as a cultural icon was solidified by its association with numerous celebrities over the years.